Hey guys, I'm at school. Oh, I got a snack. Got some Jelly Bellies.
Hashtag when you open Jelly Bellies at school.
Oh flip! I just dropped them. I got bubblegum and cotton candy. That's good. That's good.
Can I have some? Yeah.
What?
Can I have some?
Oh, ugly dude.
Can I have some?
What?
Man, can I have some, man? Man, come on, can I have some?
Man, fine. Let me do this dang napkin. Man.
Thanks, man.
There.
What am I do?
And don't ask for more. And don't ask for more.
What am I do, man?
Don't ask for more. Man, you got Nutella. You tell it.
No, I didn't know.
I got blueberry. You should.
I'm not even telling them.
Yes,
What
you
are you
do.
talking about?
Good Nutella. Alright, I'll let you sleep on this one. Don't ask for no more.
Yes,
Yeah, eat your double beans.
Can I have some more?
Fine. I'm just napkin. See, I don't napkin. Man, what you? What you? Here.
Thanks, man.
Taking on my jelly
What
beans.
am I do? What am I do, man?
There.
You still not getting them Nutella.
Hey, you're welcome, fam. Welcome, fam.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Alright. God dang. Sun-kissed or orange sherbet. You better not ask for no more.
I don't want to have no more, dude. With your ugly little fingers.
With your ugly little hair, so
With your ugly little hairline, man. And that knot on your head, man.
man.
You shouldn't do like a knot in the law, man. Like you don't know what you're doing.
Man, what your Donkey Kong looking so?
When you say to me, teacher, teacher, teacher. Yes. Jelly belly. Come on this way.
No.
Some jelly beans. Some jelly beans.
Give my jelly bellies back, teacher.
For real?
Teach it.
Go to principal's office this instant. Now.
No.
I'm gonna pour them in the trash.
Alright, fine. I'm going to this dang principal's office. Little ugly principal.
I'm principal.
I don't care about you. That.
I'm the principal. I'm the principal. Bye-bye. That was our little skit.